old data to our AI, and it was basically a military base at that time. There was no school, right? So whenever we are seeing new startup and new technology that is developing, it is creating a lot of ethical issues, right? Uh, One of the biggest issues in AI, as we saw, is one is privacy. Second is intellectual property, right? Intellectual property is something which is also being breached by these AI startups on the regular basis. How many of you might have created that Studio Ghibli photo of yours, right? But that is an art style developed by that particular studio over the year, and it took them hours and hours and hours, right? But they fit what Gemini or ChatGPT and all of these AI are doing. They feed it that data without the permission of the creator itself, right? But they say we are doing it for the research purposes, and that's how they are going around the loop of intellectual property. And eventually, what is impacting? It is impacting the hours and hours of the work which our artists are putting in. Similarly, now AI is also coming in your songs, right? The music which is being developed. Many of the music which is being developed currently is being done by the AI artists. And that is not music, it is creating on its own. It doesn't have a brain, right? It is created from the data it has built, right? And that data it is taking on the basis of the research purposes, which is to go around the loophole of intellectual property, right? So this is how more and more we see that ethical issues which come up to the new startup. And क्या thing है इसमें जो है अब there are two approaches that are there. One is the US approach, that is the innovation approach. We will innovate first, we will make the technology first, and then we will regulate. And second is European Union approach. So there is an act called EU-AI, right? In which what they are saying is whenever we develop any new technologies, whenever we create a new startup under the section 27 of that EU-AI, right? Whenever you are doing all of that, you have to do something known as fundamental rights impact assessment, right? And that is where all of us lawyers will come. Who will assess what is the impact on the fundamental rights of one particular technology? It is the work of a future lawyer that we have to, right? And it should be guided by the more or less ethical constitutional principles that way. Okay? Every day we study our constitution. It was created by P.R. Ambedkar in 20th century. But we have to make sure that it survives the 21st century. Yeah. Right? That is the main job that we have to do. Like I'll tell you again, in the AI space itself, which is coming up towards the startup, a lot of data centers which we are planning to build.